is she doing? Is she eating your food? I don't like that one on my tongue. Could you take it off? She doesn't like fish.